Imagine yourself in this 2004 Lexus RX 330. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include privacy glass, power driver's seat, rear spoiler, memory seating, rear window defroster, anti-lock braking system, ABS, illuminated entry system, power door locks, and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.